The journey to wealth begins with a mindset shift. Picture yourself not merely dreaming about riches, but actively believing in your potential to achieve them. A wealthy mindset prioritizes continuous learning, resilience, and ambition. Embrace the idea that knowledge is a powerful currency, and with every new skill or insight, you're enhancing your wealth toolkit. Develop an insatiable curiosity for how money works, seeking out resources, mentors, and networks that empower your financial journey. Next, set clear financial goals that act as guiding stars on your wealth journey. Imagine mapping a route to a destination. Your goals serve this purpose. Whether it's saving a specific amount, launching a business, or mastering investment strategies, make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Visualizing these aspirations can catalyze motivation, urging you to take concrete steps towards financial freedom. Each milestone you reach becomes a building block in constructing your wealth. Budgeting wisely is fundamental on the road to riches. Envision your income as a flowing river, and your expenses as the banks that direct its course. By creating a budget, you effectively harness and control this flow. Prioritize essential expenses, and aim to allocate a portion of your income to investments and savings. Automating your savings can be an excellent strategy, like setting a portion of that river to always flow into a designated pool of wealth, ensuring that you're consistently building your financial foundation. Investing is where your savings can multiply, akin to sowing seeds in fertile ground. Picture your investments blossoming into a fruitful financial garden. Explore diverse avenues such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds, and remember that diversification is key to mitigating risks. The earlier you start investing, the more your money can grow through the power of compound interest, turning mere savings into substantial riches over time. Lastly, embrace the value of networking and mentorship. Visualize surrounded by inspirational figures, each contributing unique insights and opportunities. Surrounding yourself with successful individuals can open doors you didn't know existed. Attend seminars, join investment clubs, and engage with those who have walked the path you aspire to tread. They can provide invaluable guidance and keep you accountable on your journey to wealth. In conclusion, becoming rich is not merely an outcome, but a process. A blend of mindset, goal setting, budgeting, investing, and networking. Embrace this journey with patience, understanding it's a marathon, not a sprint. And each step you take brings you closer to your financial aspirations.